On today's Finding Equal Man, we talk all about why I always wear black on stage.
Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. I'm just doing what I do. Won't stop doing what I do.
Hey, it's #1 best-selling author and motivational speaker, Erik Qualman. Most of you know me by now as Equal Man. Welcome to the Finding Equal Man show, where we're going to give you tips and tricks and life hacks to unlock your inner superpower. That's right, we all are superheroes at our core. It's all about unlocking and unleashing it. Here's the reason why I almost always wear black on stage. #1, with microphones, it hides the black microphone. #2, when you wear patterned shirts or patterned dresses or patterned jackets, the problem with that, it creates what's called amore, which means when you film, it actually causes a blurring. #3, you have no idea what the backdrop's gonna be behind you, and black goes with every potential backdrop that's gonna be behind you. #4, the camera adds 10 pounds. Black is a slimming color, so it'll help offset the extra 10 pounds that camera's adding. #5, it travels well, so if you're about to go on stage and accidentally spill coffee on you, it's a white shirt that's gonna really show up. Black shirt, you got a better chance. That's it for today's Finding Equal Man show, the show where we unlock and unleash your inner superpower by giving you tips and tricks and life hacks that we've utilized or some of the top performers in the world are utilizing today. So the next time you're on stage, remember, just like that AC/DC song, it's back in black. It's amore. #2, if you have patterns when they film, sometimes it can create English is my first language. Black goes with every potential backdrop. #3, you have no idea what the backdrop's gonna be behind you, and black goes with every possible backdrop. Backdrop, I'm wearing black, but it's backdrop. That's it for today's Finding Equal Man show, where we're trying to unlock and unleash your inner superpower with tips and tricks. That's it for today's Finding Equal Man show, the show where we're trying to unlock, we're doing.